Hey guys, Jeff at Home Improvement Buzz, doing my floors. And I'm ripping up some carpet, so I have to backfill. And I'm using what's called OSB, Oriented Strand Board. There's different grades of that. There's kind of the rough grade, and then there's the better grade. So right now, it's in mid-2023, it's about 38 bucks a sheet. I'm only buying 30, so I don't get the discount. But I couldn't wait, so I went and got these home in my RAV4 today. I chopped it in the parking lot because I'm gonna start doing closets and stuff, but I'll show you where it goes. So right in here, if you can see, like, this is an office, and I took up the board already. So all that's coming up. Do you see that? All that's coming up, and then I'll backfill. So I'm going over the hardwood. I'm backfilling with the OSB. And what I had to do is, this is the size of this. Hardwood floors suggest that they're 3/4. They're not. They're actually 23, 30 seconds. So they make OSB in 23, 30 seconds, if you can believe it. So I should have a seamless surface from the finished hardwood that I'm going over to that. And I've got about 1,000 square feet of that to do. I've got that room, another room. I've got all this to do. So that's all coming out. And of course, Lila's gonna help. And, but I'll leave some videos as I do this. And, I have another thing I have to tackle. Look at these corner gaps. So I'll be shimming those periodically. My planks are 6 foot long. My stone composite planks are 6 foot long, but I don't want any sort of flaring, and I'm hoping to not use cord around. So I will be closing that gap about every 2 to 3 feet with something, just to give some stability. But I bought my floors at a place called WeShipFloors.com. They're awesome. They're these floors that are actually made of stone and plastic composites. So they're 80% limestone. They're quite thick, but they're just indestructible. I could drop a hammer, tools, a mug, a plate. My grandpup dog's coming she's going to run on these today. She won't scratch them. They're amazing. So reach out to Zoe at We Ship Floors. They have sales now and then and free shipping, but it's in North Carolina, and they'll send you some free samples too. So just let them know Jeff sent you. I was just out there a couple weeks ago with my wife picking out floors. I used them in the basement, and they were just, I'm so happy with them. Just from a durability perspective, waterproof, everything. So kind of like the luxury vinyl plank, that's all the craze with the builders, but this is, I think, the next category of flooring that's emerging, called SPC, stone plastic composite. And this version's 80% stone. So that makes it just so durable, pretty rigid. So it won't have any give to it. But we're just gonna go rugs and that stuff. But the durability and the damage resistance, I won't say it's damage proof because it's not, but damage resistance is just, shocking. I've dropped tools on. In fact, I've got some videos on my channel here where I'm dropping hammers on this from waist height, this and on hardwood and on luxury vinyl plank. The others get destroyed. This doesn't even show a mark. So take a look at it, WeShipFloors.com. And then what else? I'll do some more videos later. I'm going to try to put down about probably 120 feet or so of this today. I have some helpers coming, my son, so we'll see. Thanks, bye.